Seventh is co-initial vector. Now, vectors having same initial point, as it is understood, it is co-initial, means having the same initials. Now, vector having same initial point are called co-initial vectors. Now, it follows that two equal co-initial vectors must coincident. Next, number 8. Reciprocal vector. Two vectors are said to be reciprocal vectors if they have same direction but their modulus, so called plural form moduli, their modulus are reciprocal of each other. Is it clear? Now, if it is A cap, okay, if A cap denotes a unit vector of vector A, then vector A is equal to modulus of vector A with A cap, and 1 upon vector A is equal to A cap upon its modulus, reciprocal of the modulus. Okay, hence and 1 upon vector A and 1 upon vector A are reciprocal vectors. Is it clear? Reciprocal of a unit vector is the unit vector itself. So this was all about a reciprocal of a vector. Now we are having localized vector. Localized vector. Vectors which are restricted. Vectors which are restricted to pass through a given point, that is the origin, are called localized vector. And then free vectors. Now free vector is if origin of a vector can be taken anywhere in the space, if origin of a vector can be taken anywhere in a space, then it is said to be a free vector or a non-localized vector. So we are having co-initial vectors, reciprocal vector, localized vector and free vector.